Say good morning!
Good morning!
Hello ladies and gents, today it is the Appleton Takeover Meet in Appleton, Wisconsin. And I'm here with my bro Micah. We just had to stay at a hotel because why not? Oh, my vape! I'm starting to feel like a vape god. Let's get judged! Yay! What are you doing? Heading to the show. We just ate breakfast. There's Micah. Say hi! The room's getting gas and we're gonna start heading out to the meet. Welcome. Yeah, oh my god, my ledge got a droplet on it. Hey, welcome to the meet. It's a miracle.
I like rich girl.
If I was a rich girl.
Oh, I think I've seen it.
Yeah?
Is that the one without the headlight because he's got his intake?
S. So what do you have to say today about the weather and the meet?
Take place.
My freaking life right here.
There's a 1G over there.
Oh yes. Yes, no, she's pointing the other way. No. I'm in freaking love, dude. What do you have to say about your vape addiction?
My name is Micah. I'm 20 years old and I have an addiction to vaping.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Approved.
Micah doing Micah things.
Yeah. That's good.
Dude, I'm honestly 527s on anything. How much do you charge? You're on the corner. You're so sensitive. Are you sensitive?
A little bit.
Are you nervous?
I'm hungry and my back hurts and I'm cranky because of that.
We got the 5-0.
Whoop whoop, that's the sound of our police.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the...
Alright. So I'm running low on battery because my camera sucks ass. Balling out right now. We got some burgers. They're called elk burgers. Hey, say hit the vlog! Alright, it's at the end of the meet right now. As you can see, a lot of people left. But all the TT people found each other, which is pretty neat. Otherwise, things went pretty smoothly. We had a good time. We had some food. He's trying to take control right now.
Yes.
How's it going?
Well, I don't have keys and I don't want the hot wires, so...
He's not a mineral. He's a human being.
Who would have thought?
Who wouldn't know? So we'll see what happens after that, and we'll probably go to Micah's house maybe if we have time, or if it's too late, I don't know. I gotta work in the morning.
To class tomorrow.
He needs to go to class tomorrow. Can you not touch my knob?
Micah likes to play with knobs.
You're just disgusting.
How'd
Please
you know?
don't put that in the vlog. Don't do that.
I won't put it. Yes, I will. Micah's too tired to function right now. Alright, peace out, Girl Scouts. Alright, so at the meet, I did not make a concluding clip, which I'm terrible at remembering to do. We're at Micah's house right now, just chilling out, getting stuff ready for editing. I don't know what else to say. Micah, what was your favorite part about the day?
Probably the fact that we made last minute plans that
I got a hotel room at like 11:30, and then you drove all the way up, got there at 2 a.m., and I didn't fall asleep like at all, so I got like an hour of sleep maybe. And then we went and ran a car show the next day.
So spontaneous.
Yeah.
Well, I'm so exhausted and I still have a 2-hour car drive home. This kid lives way too far. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and also follow.
Formative media.
Alright, bye.